Transforming your finances is achievable with simple tips. Start by crafting a budget, understanding where your money goes. Wondering how small changes in spending habits can make a big difference? In today's video, we'll delve into 10 powerful personal finance tips that can revolutionize your financial health in 2024. Understanding the intricate balance between making money and increasing wealth is pivotal for a fulfilling life. So let's embark on this financial journey together, focusing on actionable tips to elevate your financial standing in the coming year. Tip 1. Make a no NTA or budget. Setting up a monthly or yearly budget is like laying the groundwork for smart money management. It's not just about numbers. It's about creating a plan that aligns with your financial goals. Think of it as giving your money a purpose, a direction to go. When you allocate your expenses wisely, categorizing them into fixed, variable, and other costs, it's like putting your spending habits under a friendly microscope. This isn't just about restricting yourself. It's about understanding where your money goes and making intentional choices. Crafting an annual budget goes beyond the month-to-month details. It's like zooming out to see the bigger picture of your financial commitments. There's a sense of empowerment in knowing that you're in control, steering your financial ship toward a secure and stable future. So let's not just budget. Let's create a financial roadmap that speaks to your goals and aspirations. Tip 2. Establish SPCFT financial objectives. Decide what you want with your money. That's setting clear financial objectives. It's like giving a purpose to your savings and investments. Think of it as making a plan for your money journey. Maybe you're saving for unexpected things, like emergencies, or for something special, like your kids' education or a home. These goals make your money decisions more than just numbers. They're about your dreams. Picture the joy of knowing every dollar you save is getting you closer to what you really want. So let's keep it simple. Decide what you're saving for, make a plan, and let your money work for your dreams. Tip 3. Pay off debt. The burden of debt can hinder financial growth. If you're struggling with debt payments, it's like dealing with a heavy anchor holding back the sailboat of your financial progress. It's more than just a financial challenge. It's a weight on your shoulders that affects your daily life and future plans. In these moments, when making debt payments feels like a constant battle, consider early repayment or debt consolidation as powerful strategies. It's not just about the numbers you owe. It's about the emotional toll that debt can take. Lowering those interest rates through strategic actions isn't just a financial move. It's a step towards lifting the weight, lightening the load, and setting sail towards a brighter and less burdened financial future. Tip 4. Invest monthly. Consistent monthly investments yield higher corpus growth than sporadic market timing investments. It's like the difference between a steady, reliable flow and trying to catch the perfect wave. When you invest a fixed amount every month, it's not about predicting market highs and lows. Instead, it's a disciplined routine, akin to planting seeds regularly in your financial garden. This approach isn't just about numbers on a statement. It's a practical strategy that aligns with the stability of your monthly income. Imagine the satisfaction of seeing your investments grow steadily, like a well-tended garden flourishing over time. It's not just a financial decision. It's an emotional investment in your future security and prosperity. So rather than chasing market trends, consider the strength in consistency. Invest monthly, let it build, and witness the steady growth of your financial portfolio. Tip 5. Create an emergency fund. Life can be unpredictable, and that's why having some money tucked away for unexpected times is a good idea. Try aiming for a 6 to 12-month emergency fund, which is like a financial safety blanket covering your basic needs. Instead of stressing about sudden expenses, automate small amounts to go into this fund regularly. It's not just about money. It's like building a shield against surprise money challenges. This fund isn't just numbers in an account. It's your safety net, offering peace of mind when life throws unexpected twists your way. So let's keep it simple. Stash away a bit for a rainy day, and you'll be better prepared to handle life's unexpected surprises. Tip 6. Getting smart about money is like putting on a shield to protect yourself from financial surprises. Reading personal finance books is your way of learning the rules and tricks of the money game. It's not just about numbers. It's about getting savvy to avoid getting tricked by things that can mess with your money decisions. Picture feeling confident because you understand the language of money. It's like having a secret code that makes finances less scary. It's not just about cash. It's about having the power to make smart choices that keep your money safe. So think of these books as your money superheroes, giving you the knowledge and strength to handle your finances like a pro. Tip 7. Pay yourself what you are worth and cut expenses. Check if you're getting paid fairly for your work. That's like making sure your paycheck matches the effort you put in. It's not just numbers. It's about feeling valued for what you do. Now, here's a thought. Do you ever wonder if your spending fits with what you earn? It's like making sure your money plans align. Cutting unnecessary expenses is a bit like tidying up your money space. You create more room for important stuff. Small changes, like choosing budget-friendly options, can add up to more money saved. So it's a two-step move. Get what you deserve at work, and make sure your spending fits into your paycheck puzzle, creating a happier and more balanced financial picture. Tip 8. Establish a savings plan. Prioritize saving by committing at least 5% of your income before expenses. It's like setting aside a small portion of your financial pie before you divvy it up for bills and other needs. This isn't just about numbers. It's a deliberate choice to secure a piece of your income for your future self. Now, here's the smart move. Automate this commitment. It's like putting your savings on cruise control, making sure a portion of your income goes directly to your savings without you even having to think about it. It's not just a financial decision. It's a way to ensure that you consistently contribute to your financial goals without the stress of manual transfers. So, as you make saving a priority, see it as a gift to your future self, creating a financial habit that feels both sensible and personally rewarding. Tip 9. Utilize compound interest. Using compound interest for growing your wealth is like letting your money make more money. It's not complicated. It's about making your money work harder for you. Imagine your initial savings as a starting point and the interest it earns as a bonus. Now, here's the simple trick. When you reinvest that bonus, it's like giving your money an extra push to grow. It's not just about numbers. It's about watching your money multiply over time. This isn't just a financial strategy. It's an easy way to build a stronger financial future. So think of compound interest as your money's way of saying, let's team up and create more wealth together. Tip 10. Observe your taxes. Know how much money you actually have after taxes to match your savings goals. It's not just about your paycheck amount, it's what you get to keep. Now think about any salary increase. It's exciting, right? But consider how it affects the money you take home after taxes. It's not just a bigger number. It's understanding how it fits into your money plans. Picture it like putting on glasses to see things clearly. This isn't just about money. It's a way to make sure your plans match what's in your pocket. So as you look at your net income and potential salary bumps, see it as a guide to align your take-home pay with what you want to save, creating a strong base for your money journey.